Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to another simple tutorial video for your Windows PC. And in this video I'm going to show you how to fix what file experience and error trying to open the file. So I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. First of all, go to your search option here and here search Word and click it to open. And after that select the options and now select Trust Center here and now select Trust Center settings and go to protected view, and you have to uncheck all of these three option and select OK and select OK. And after that go to files and select more and select option and go to Trust Center again and again go to Trust Center settings, and here you can see trusted location. Click the trusted location option, and first of all select this one and select modify here and just check this option and click OK, and do this for the rest of the two. Select that one and select modify and select this option and OK, and do the same thing for the rest. Modify and select this and select OK. And after doing that, so we have to add new location. Just to add it, just click the add new location option and select browse and go to this PC. And here all I have to do is add my drives. I have 2 drives. If you have 3 or 4 drives, so you have to add all of them. To add it, just simply click the drive and select OK, and check this option again and select OK again. And after that do the same process and browse this PC and select the drive and select OK, and select this option again and select OK and click OK and close your WAD file, and in this way your problem will be fixed. So this is the video, and I hope this video is helpful for you, and if this does help you, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.